The Argyll Park. Named after the famous Argyll motor factory just across the road, it started to take shape in the early 1900s. The park gates would have led into a space that was once a cricket ground. But after the collapse of the motor company, the Admiralty took over the site in 1914 and constructed an underground factory here, where the swing baths are now. Why underground? Well, it was known as a lyddite, which was part of the gunworks. Lyddite was a high explosive that they put into shells during World War I. Being a yellow, highly contaminated substance, it's said to have turned the workers' skin yellow too. Goodness knows what else it did to them. This piece of ground lay barren for many years after that, until about the 1940s, when they put some concrete prefabs up. So these days, Argyll Park is a hub for all sorts of sports. Football pitches everywhere. There's obviously natural ones, artificial ones, and you've got the tennis courts as well now. But we're going to first go and look at the bowling club. This area was a green owned by the Dumbarton District Council, but in 1963 the Argyll Bowling Club was set up here, one of the youngest bowling clubs in the area. I certainly remember the sunny 70s, bowling here as a kid. I wonder if anybody else remembers that as well. The Vale of Leven Baths have been here since 1974. A welcome addition to local swimmers who previously had to travel to the Brock Baths in Dumbarton or to the open-air pool in Hillsborough. The Argyll Park is still well used and is in a way a legacy to the grand building most of us know as a torpedo factory or the outlets.
Hi there, I'm Gordon from Clyde Bed Centre and we're proud to sponsor Clydesider TV's Take a Minute film. Thanks very much, thank you.